Been eyeing this Veeb drop for actual weeks, and it finally—
Every single one of these, the try-on video, the drink review, the vitamin gummies ad, I made all of it inside one Claude chat. One prompt each. I never opened an editor, never touched a camera, never even left the chat window. Let me show you exactly how this works, start to finish. So how is Claude actually pulling this off? Not just describing an ad, actually generating it and dropping the finished file on my desktop? The answer is Higgsfield's official MCP. If you've never used an MCP before, it's basically a direct line between Claude and another tool. Instead of Claude talking about what it would make, it's actually reaching into Higgsfield and using it live right here in this one chat. And it's not locked to Claude either. The exact same connector works inside Claude Cowork. Claude Code, OpenClaw, Hermes Agent Manus, and Cursor. Same tools, same models, whichever one of these you already live in. You'll find the link to Higgsfield in the description. Setting it up takes less time than making coffee. Head over to the Higgsfield MCP page, grab the connector URL, then in Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors, hit the plus button, name it Higgsfield, paste in, and hit Add. It'll ask you to sign in with your Higgsfield account once, and that's it. Every Higgsfield tool is now live inside your chat. Why this setup actually matters. Here's the part I want to call out, because it's the whole reason I switched my workflow over. With a lot of these MCP tools, Claude does the thinking and then hands you off to a separate canvas, where you're the one actually building the video. Higgsfield doesn't make you do that. Claude looks at each shot and just picks the right model for it. Seedance 2.0 if it needs to be video, GPT Image 2 if it's a static, and ships the finished file straight into my working folder. No re-uploading the product photo somewhere else, no explaining the brand twice. The chat is the studio. That's the difference between an AI tool you operate and an agent that actually has hands. Same as last time. I'm testing this on 3 completely different products so you can see the range: a t-shirt, a clean hydration drink mix, and vitamin C gummies. Before I generate anything, I get Claude to research the product first. What's actually trending in that niche right now? Which hooks are converting on TikTok and Instagram this week? Who the competitors are? What's working and what's flopping? Claude pulls that live off the internet and turns it into an actual brief. Hooks, angles, even a rough script, shaped around real data, not something it's guessing from memory. For each of the 3 products, it even puts together a professional performance marketing brief that becomes the blueprint for everything that comes next. That's usually a few hours of scrolling and swipe file digging, done in a couple of minutes, and it becomes the foundation every ad in this video is built on. I'll start with the t-shirt. In the same chat where I did the research, I drop in the product photo and ask for a UGC try-on ad built on the strongest angle. Claude just pulled from the data. Claude takes the angle, the hook, and the script it wrote, and builds the whole shot list out. Then instead of trying to render anything itself, it hands the job straight to Higgsfield, which is where the actual generation happens. The only thing Claude asked me was how long I wanted the UGC ad to be and which creator I preferred. So I set it to 30 seconds with a female creator, and it handled the rest automatically. Quick heads up, if the product photo doesn't carry over automatically, just drop it directly inside Higgsfield to lock in product consistency before it generates. When it's time to actually make the video, Higgsfield has a full model stack to pick from. Multiple Seedance models, Kling, GPT Image 2 for anything static, and I'm not selecting any of it by hand. Look at the result.
Gasp. Been eyeing this Veeb drop for actual weeks, and it finally showed up today. Oversized through the shoulders, exactly how I wanted it. The cotton's heavier than I expected, way better quality. It just falls right on the shoulders and sleeves. You can feel the weight of this fabric even from here. This is officially staying in my rotation. Honestly, this was worth the wait. Wearing it through the rest of my day now, and the fit just holds. Nothing digging in, nothing riding up. Even walking around the house in it feels effortless. The neckbite hasn't stretched out once. The print's holding up clean too, no cracking, no fading. Even the sleeve hems look untouched. Out here on the balcony, it just hits different. Genuinely keeping this one.
The graphic. The way the fabric actually drops off the shoulder instead of sitting stiff. The fit looks like a fit and not a mannequin. Claude actually generated 2 different UGC ads for me, and what really impressed me is how consistent the creator stays across both of them. If I wanted to, I could easily regenerate another version, but honestly, these came out so good that I'm just going to keep them as they are. This genuinely looks like someone reviewing a shirt they own, not an AI render. Next, the hydration mix. Completely different style. Same process, I drop the product in, ask for the style I want. And because Claude already has all the research from earlier, I don't have to re-explain the brand or the angle. It builds the concept and sends it straight to Higgsfield, which pulls reference stills so the product stays locked through the whole clip. From there, you can keep chatting with it, ask for changes, or just tell it to generate the full video on its own.
I'm always drenched after leg day and still feel wiped. Plain water wasn't cutting it. 1 scoop of Hydrate Watermelon Lemonade and it actually dissolves clean, no clumps. first sip and I feel recovered in minutes, not later.
Totally different energy from the t-shirt ad, and the label held up the entire way through. That's usually where AI ads fall apart. The packaging warps or the text goes soft halfway through the clip. Here it stayed sharp. Third one's the gummies, and this one's different on purpose. I don't want a quick 15-second clip. I want a proper 50 to 60-second talking head, and the face needs to stay identical the entire way through. In the same research thread, I upload the product image and tell Claude, I want a UGC ad with one consistent character and consistent product across the whole thing. And I ask it to generate a consistent creator for the ad, and honestly, it nailed it on the first try. From there, Claude pulls everything into Higgsfield, and it starts by generating the starting frame for every single shot. One reference image per scene. This is the part I actually like most. Before a single second of video gets made, you can go through every one of those frames and say exactly what you want changed, and it regenerates just that one. You lock the character and the product in before you spend a generation on motion, which saves you from redoing a full clip over a face that drifted. Once I'm happy with every reference frame, I tell it to generate the videos, and it will automatically choose the best model. Seedance 2.0 for this one, and each shot becomes its own clip. 4 separate generations, all built off those same locked frames. So it's the same face and the same product in every single one. I watch each clip start to finish to catch anything weird before it goes anywhere near a final cut. With a little post-production polish, this looks close to flawless. Same energy start to finish, product never drifts out of frame. And it works just as well for organic TikTok and Reels content as it does for a paid ad.
I used to get sick every time my kids brought home a cold. I don't time me Marcin's vaccine lies, not any cold, not anymore. Between school drop-off, my job, and literally everything else, I do not have time to be sick. So a friend put me onto these Glow Nutrition Vitamin C gummies, high potency, and they actually taste like candy, not medicine. Look, orange flavor, real gummy texture. They've got antioxidants, they support your immune system, and honestly, I've noticed more energy too. One bottle is 60 gummies, so it lasts me almost the whole month. 2 after breakfast, done. Since I started taking these, I genuinely feel like I catch way less of whatever's going around the house. If you can't afford to be down for the count, I'll drop the link, code GLOW for 20% off.
That's all 3. One ad, 3 completely different styles. Same 2-step workflow every time. Research in Claude, generate in it using Higgsfield MCP. One good ad turns into a batch of 30 from here. 5 more variations, a different aspect ratio, an upscale, and before you post any of it, Higgsfield's built-in Virality Predictor will score the clip and show you where people drop off, so you're not guessing. This is genuinely useful whether you're running your own brand, working with clients at an agency, or just want to go from product photo to finished ad as fast as possible. Setup takes 30 seconds. The link's on the first line of the description below if you want to try it yourself. If you're wondering about pricing, Higgsfield offers different plans depending on your needs, and they also run limited time discounts pretty often. For example, right now they're offering a special deal on Seedance 2.5 coming soon, so I'd recommend checking the official website to see the latest offers before you sign up. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead in the AI race.
I'll see you in another video. Till then, keep racing.